Yes, look at that bad boy.
This is a raw image, so this is not even like, I mean, this is just directly from the telescope right now.
You're looking at a piece of what would have become a planet in another star system.
Two mysterious visitors have silently slipped through the vastness of space, entering our solar system in ways that leave even the most seasoned astronomers questioning what they're seeing. The first, Oumuamua, accelerated unnaturally and disappeared before we could fully understand it. Now, a second visitor, 3I Atlas, has arrived. It's 40 times larger than its predecessor and follows a trajectory so precise that it has experts, including Harvard's leading astrophysicist, wondering, are we witnessing the first signs of alien surveillance, or something far more unexpected?
Unusual trajectory of this object offers the possibility that it might have been designed.
The story begins in October 2017, when astronomers at the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii detected an object moving too fast to be from our solar system. Named Oumuamua, meaning scout in Hawaiian, it was the first interstellar object ever observed passing through our solar system. Its elongated shape and rapid rotation puzzled scientists. But what truly baffled them was its unexpected acceleration, a deviation in its path that couldn't be explained by gravity alone. Oumuamua's acceleration was unusual. Its trajectory suggested it should have slowed down as it passed by the sun. However, it sped up instead. Most comets experience a similar acceleration due to the pressure from solar radiation, but Oumuamua did not exhibit a visible tail, dust, or gas emissions, making the typical comet model an unlikely fit. So what was causing it to accelerate? Some proposed that the object could have been outgassing, where gases or ice sublimating from its surface pushed the object forward. But there was no sign of the expected tail. With no detectable exhaust, scientists were left with only hypotheses. Was it a natural comet with an unknown feature? Or, as Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist, suggested, was it something more extraordinary, an artificial object sent by an alien civilization?
Thinking maybe it's not a comet and not an asteroid, something else, Maybe it belongs to another civilization.
Loeb's provocative theory suggested that Oumuamua was not simply a cosmic anomaly, but potentially a probe, an artifact designed to travel through the vastness of space. While this theory gained a fair amount of attention, it also faced significant criticism. The lack of direct evidence made it an appealing but speculative idea. Fast forward to July 2025. The Atlas telescope in Chile, part of NASA's asteroid detection system, discovered a new interstellar object. This time, it was much larger. 3I Atlas, roughly 40 times bigger than Oumuamua. It followed a trajectory so precisely calculated that astronomers could track it with near-perfect accuracy. And just like Oumuamua, it came from beyond our solar system, moving too fast to be bound by our sun's gravity. 3I Atlas is not just another comet passing through. Its size and trajectory suggest it's part of a far larger cosmic story. When first detected, its path was meticulously tracked. It wasn't on a random chaotic trajectory, but rather followed a path that appeared to be intentionally precise. And though comets tend to speed up as they get closer to the sun, 3I Atlas was behaving in a similar way, accelerating without a discernible tail or visible outgassing. The question looms, could this be another Oumuamua, an object with an unnatural trajectory that's pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible in space? Theories surrounding 3I Atlas have quickly emerged, similar to the speculations about Oumuamua. The leading question in the scientific community is whether 3I Atlas is a natural object, like a comet from another star system, or if it could be something else entirely.
With 0 meaning it's a natural object, like a comet, for sure. And 10 meaning it's definitely a technological object.
First, the natural explanation. 3I Atlas could simply be a comet that was ejected from its parent star system, traveling freely through space. Its composition, which includes carbon dioxide in higher than usual concentrations, suggests it could have originated in a different environment, perhaps one with a different star chemistry than our own. However, this natural explanation does not fully account for its precise trajectory and the lack of observable tail-like features. The alternative explanation, however, takes us into the realm of artificial intelligence. Some, like Loeb, believe that 3I Atlas could be more than just a random object. Loeb, in particular, suggests that the object could be part of an alien surveillance mission, perhaps an ancient probe sent by an extraterrestrial civilization to observe our solar system.
I actually define the scale where 0 is a natural object and 10 is definitely technological, and I put it at 4 right now.
Okay.
While this theory certainly fits the narrative of a spacefaring civilization, it remains largely speculative. Yet Loeb's provocative hypothesis has reignited conversations about the possibility of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe. Could it be that we've unknowingly encountered something not just natural, but designed? To explore these possibilities, astronomers have turned to cutting-edge telescopes for further insights. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, which is the most powerful space telescope ever launched, is playing a key role in unlocking the secrets of these interstellar visitors. In the case of Oumuamua, the Hubble Space Telescope provided the first clues, revealing that its acceleration couldn't be attributed to traditional sources. And while JWST has yet to offer definitive answers on 3I Atlas, its infrared capabilities could hold the key to understanding the object's composition. As new data comes in, the mystery of 3I Atlas is far from solved. Despite the lack of solid proof, the scientific community remains captivated. One thing is clear: whether natural or artificial, 3I Atlas and Oumuamua are sparking a new era of astronomical exploration. These objects are signposts in the search for interstellar life and understanding the cosmic forces that govern the universe. As 3I Atlas continues on its journey out of our solar system, we are left with more questions than answers. Its trajectory, size, and mysterious acceleration suggest that we are dealing with something beyond our current understanding. These objects, while seemingly just visitors passing through, challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. Could they be more than just remnants of distant star systems? Or are we witnessing a much larger cosmic story unfolding right before our eyes? The answers may be out there, hidden in the cold depths of space. And as we continue to explore, one thing is certain: the universe holds mysteries that we are just beginning to uncover.